You're welcome to the Forex Trading and Lifestyle Entrepreneurship channel. Do take a minute to pause this video and read this disclaimer.
Hi there, it's Victor here from foreshowmarkets.com. So in today's video, I will be showing you how to do your risk management calculation or your position size calculation on your mobile phone, okay? Because the position size calculator I shared on the MetaTrader 4 platform on your PC cannot work here. So I found an alternative solution for you, for those of you who will be doing your analysis and you're trading strictly on the mobile phone, okay? So let's go ahead. So first thing you do is go to your Google Play Store, or if you're using an Apple phone, go to your iOS, go to your App Store, right? So I have my Play Store here, and then go to the search bar and then type in lot size calculator, okay? Then click search. Then you can see it there, the first one, Forex calculators. It's gray in color and it has FX in white with a gray background. So you click on Forex calculators, then install it. Okay, that will take a few seconds or a few minutes to install. So risk management is very important in your trading. So even if you are using your phone, you do not have any excuse why you should not use you should not calculate your lot size before you go into that trade. So once it finishes installing, you click on open. So I have open in my bottom side here. Depends on what Android you're using. Just wherever you see open, just click on open, okay, and it loads up like this. So this is what you will see. Okay, so let me look at my parameters. I'm going to use the same parameters I used in the previous video. Okay, so your currency, so this one does not pick your balance, of course, because it's not installed on your MetaTrader 4. So the balance on your account, if it is dollar, you put in dollar there. If it is naira, you type in naira there. NGN, I don't know, do we have NGN? We don't have NGN, unfortunately. So you type in USD. Even if it is naira, whatever it is, it's the same thing. So even if you put pound there and you're trading in dollars, same thing, just calculate normally and use the lot size that it gives you. Okay, now in the last trade we did for pound dollar, so you need to change your currency pair. Under currency pair, you click on it, and then you will change it to whatever currency you want to trade. Okay, so I click on pound dollar there. Okay, under account currency, you choose your currency. I choose USD. Now this is where you put in your balance. Okay, you put in your balance. So I put in 3,000 there, and then the stop loss in pips. So if I want to just do stop loss in pips, I can just put 50 pips there. Okay, under stop loss in pips, you just put it 50. But if you want to put in the stop loss the way I did it on the PC, the last video, you come here, you can see stop loss by price. Click on stop loss by price. Now you can see your entry price. Type in your entry price there. Entry price was 1.26859, and then come under stop loss. Type in your stop loss there. Stop loss was 1.26359. Okay, and then your risk percentage was 2%. Just put 2 there. Okay, all of this you need to do it very fast because the price can move away from your entry price. So you need to do it sharp under 30 seconds, 1 minute. So once you're done with it, whichever method you're using, you come below here, then you click calculate. Okay, now it has calculated for you. So you can see, just like the previous video on the PC, you see amount to risk is same as $60. Okay, position units is 11,787. This is when you're doing using the concept of volume, okay, and number of units. Okay, but we're not using units, we're using lot size. So you look at the number under standard lots. That is what you are supposed to use. Under standard lot, so you can see it's 0.11. Okay, 0.11. The other one gave us 0.12, which is roughly the same thing. So now you can take you can take this and now go to your MetaTrader 4. Okay. And then now you want to buy. You come to pound dollar here, hold it. It will, I'm sure you should know how to do this by now. I've done a video for it already. Hold it, click on new order. Okay, now you put your lot size, you type it, click in where you have that black 0.01, click inside there. Okay, click beside, click anywhere you want to type, just click there. So I'm clicking beside the one, then I'll delete it. Then I can type 1 1. There's 0 already there. In fact, you can delete everything and then type 0.11. Okay. Now you can put your stop loss. You can put your stop loss 1.26359. Okay. Then you can put your take profit 1.29. Then you click. Please, this is what I was saying in the last video. You need to be very sensitive to what you type in this box, okay? And you need to cross-check before you go ahead. So now we're done. Now you can click on buy, okay? Now I don't know why sometimes when you do this on the phone, it does this invalid stop loss stuff. So what you can do is ignore the stop loss at the beginning. Just put your lot size there, then click on buy. And then the trade is open. Now you go back to your trade terminal by clicking this, the fork. You have icons below here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The third one, you click it, that's where you see your trades. And then this is the buy I just placed now. Hold it, tap and hold it, then come down and then click on modify. Now you can put your stop loss, 1.26359, and then you can put your take profit as 1.29. Okay. Why is it my stop loss is not correct? 1.26359. Okay, now we can click on modify. Now you can see your details are in. Tap on the trade, it will pop down. Now you can see your stop loss, you can see your take profit, and you are good to go. Okay, so every time you want to place a trade, first thing you need to do is to do your calculation. Always do your calculation. Okay, I'm sure you've learned something new today. If you learned something new, click the like button below the video. And of course, if this is your first time or you've been watching our videos, you're yet to subscribe, click the subscribe button below this video and then click the bell to the right of the subscribe button. Click all notifications so that you can get notified whenever we upload a new video. Okay, all of what I'm teaching you now, people will probably charge you $300 or 100,000 naira for this, but I'm giving it to you free of charge because, like I said in my story, when I started out, there was nobody to guide me. You know, I'll start this, I'll go to the cyber cafe, I'll print materials, I'll read. I'll have headaches. When I have headaches, I will drop it, go and sleep, and then come back and try to understand what was making me have headaches. Okay, but now you have all of this information coming to you absolutely free of charge. So do not take it for granted. Okay, you don't have any excuse why you shouldn't be successful in the game. Okay, like I always share, one of my basic secrets is find somebody who is making it in the business and follow that person. Okay, and that's why you need to subscribe to the channel and follow activities, follow our trainings. When we start doing our trainings at Ikeja, if you're in Lagos, make sure you attend. If you're in any city, Port Harcourt, Abuja, I will be coming to those cities. Make sure you plan to attend as well. But in the interim, follow my YouTube videos. I'll be doing webinars as well. And of course, you'll be getting those details. All right. So once my blog is going to be launched, you go there, put in your WhatsApp number if you are in Nigeria, or put in your WhatsApp number if you are from abroad, put in your email, and you will get details of all of my activities, all of my trainings, and my webinars. All right. So have an absolutely great day. I will see you in the next video. Cheers.